Hello. Today we're going to talk about metadata. We're going to talk about what it is, how to use it, and provide a quick demo on how to implement metadata capture and output. As you can see, metadata, also known as tagging or indexing, is a set of data that describes information about a document. It can be a summary of the form and the content of a document or record. As an example, in a household catalog, the brand, the price, the color, and the capacity of an item, or in fabric, the size, the color, and price of a suit. So let's get into how do you use metadata. Today I'm going to show you a quick demo of a capture solution which can utilize metadata. I'm going to simulate the scanning process by importing some files, create a batch, and import my documents. As my documents come in, they're automatically separated. I'm going to close my batch and move it to the next step in the process, which is to capture or index my documents and capture the metadata. In this particular example, I've set up 3 metadata fields. Very simple: first name, last name, date of birth. I key in the data. Each one tabbing through the items so that I can go from one document to another. Each time I key in this data, it gets related directly to the document in which I'm keying. Now that I've done, I can QA what I've done. I can look at the images, but I can also look at the data in which I've captured. So in each instance, I've got all my documents keyed in. If I notice that there was a spelling mistake and so forth, I can correct it. Okay. At this point, I'd be done, and I'm going to send it off through my export and migration. My documents have now been migrated out, and I can close my batch. Now let's take a look at how that metadata is being used. In this particular instance, I've set it to export to an Access database. So when I go into my table, as you can see, I have my information that I've keyed in: first name, last name, date of birth, and I also have a path to the data or to the document record. In each instance, the line associated with the image relates to the metadata. So for Corey Smith, his information is here along with the path to the image file. Now, in some instances, you may be using a document management system or a SharePoint system. This stuff may be hidden from you, but it is there and relates directly to the data in the table. Let's also look at how the data is structured. In some instances, customers don't have a document management system and they want to create a foldering structure. So we've used that information to create foldering on the fly. And in doing so, when I go in, you'll notice I have 2 files, Mike Jones and Jim Jones, and I've used that information, which I've keyed, to basically rename the file and automatically create the folder name. So as you can see, the power of the metadata or the indexing allows you to do a lot of different things. And the key with any capture system is to know how you want to index this information and utilize it in the appropriate fashion. For more information, visit us on our website at www.inceptiontech.com or call us at our toll-free number. Thank you.